2027. The first settlement on Mars is on its way. The red planet is no longer alone. This is the first step in a new world to be built. Minus 63 degrees centigrade. 95% of the atmosphere is carbon dioxide. Without engineering, life is impossible. Living on Mars is not about sustaining life, but engineering its reconstruction. Deep valleys like Valles Marineris provide radiation protection. And structures buried in the soil make life on Mars possible. Construction on Mars is not like on Earth. There are no ready-made materials here. Every piece has to be produced on site. Local regolith is transformed into domes with 3D printers. Water, oxygen, energy, all life support systems have to be extracted from the Martian soil. Ice wells, solar panels, fuel cells. The sustainability of life depends on these systems. There is no soil on Mars, but there is closed-system agriculture. Hydroponic modules work with special lights and water recycling systems for plants. Isolation, fear of radiation and time difference. Life in the colony is not only a physical but also a psychological test. Even sending a message from Mars to Earth requires a 38-minute wait. Sudden storms on the surface of Mars. System failures. Or psychological crises. Survival depends on managing the unplanned. This colony is a beginning. What about you? Would you live on Mars?